All right. Now, you'll notice, Nick, we're not on the backpack right now. And that's on purpose because I want you to see what's waiting for you inside the backpack. There's extra! All right. So, we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the one we just opened for 10 even. So, what's it gonna be today? Me pick? Closing my eyes and there. That's nothing. We'll go right up. There we go.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, good. All right. Who's in here? Is it a kitty? Is it a doggy? Is it a panda?
Panda. Okay, let's just go. Ooh, that's cool.
Here we go. I love that the circle's back so we know. Cool. Breathing.
Yes. I love the background.
Yeah. Oh, you know what that means.
Time to open.
That's right. As always, we say 1 to rock and 1 to stock. All right. So here we go. We had a comet yesterday and a comet today. So let's see what comet looks like when we open him up. Are you ready?
Yeah. I want to see what he does.
Yeah. Come to life. Uh-oh.
Come to life?
Well, it does seem like we are experiencing some technical difficulties.
Yeah,
Let's back up and see. Oh, he opened. Huh. Okay. Well, we're having a little bit of trouble, but all right. Well, sorry, everybody. We'll get him on the block in a video here for you guys soon, but here it is. We've got an open comet, and we have a sealed comet. Look at there. He's just waving. He's so cute. And there he is. Number 23, sealed up.
That was pretty good.
And then another one to play with. Let's give it one more quick try and see. Oh, I found it. That's why. Okay. So I'm having a little bit of an issue here, but no worries. See, we'll talk to the Cryptoys team and get this squared away very quickly, and then we'll come back with more stuff. So, all right. You guys will be seeing Comet walk around the block before long, I promise. All right, everybody. We'll see you for our next cube soon.